Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to start a new series for Pandas package. With this package we can do several things of analytics with CSV or Excel data. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe so that you can't miss the future videos of this series. Now question is, what is Pandas package? So answer is, it gives lots of capabilities of data science with flexible data structure and manipulations. Everything in Pandas based on DataFrame. DataFrame is nothing just your data present in your file. You can create your own data frame using Pandas DataFrame. Now let's implement this in our code. So first we need to import the Pandas package. So I have already installed it, and so you can just do it by go to the settings and hit on this add button and then search for Pandas, and here it is. So it is coming in blue because it is already installed. So you can just select from here and hit on install package and it will get installed. Now I'm going to create another script and naming it as Pandas demo like this, and now I need to import Pandas package as I'm giving an alias as PD. Now we need to create data frame, or we can have from our CSV or Excel. So I have created the Excel file also, but I'm going to show you first how you can create your own data frame. So for that we have a data frame class, and here you need to just give the first we need to give the header. So I am giving just one column which is name, and then I need to give the value of row. So name, right? Oh, sorry, name, not Akhilesh, and again we can give Tony, let's see, and and it will return a data frame object. So I am saving it in df and let's print it and let's see what we are having. So let's run it. So yes, we are getting okay. So okay, so this is not the value of second column. If I'll give here the like surname, then it will give here the surname. Okay, yeah, like this. So Akhilesh Tony. So this is the complete name, but we have only one column, so we need to give another array for each row. So here Tony, then we will have name as Akhilesh and Tony. So here, so you are saying 0 1 2, this is the indexing values, so we will discuss it later. So now as I told you, I have created an Excel file. Let me show you that. So this is the Excel file I have created. So name, age, marks and location. So we are going to use this Excel file. So I'm going to copy this and pasting it in our project like this. Now we are going to use this data.xls file. So I'm just deleting this. Now to read this Excel file, so we have a method for that. So pd dot read Excel. Now I need to give the Excel file name dot xlsx, and let's save it into df object because it will also return the data frame. So print type of df. So I'm going to run this, and type is data frame. Now let's print the data frame and let's see what we will have. So yes, we are getting the data frame which is presented in our Excel file, same as the name, age, marks and location, and this is the index column. So why we are having this index? So whenever we want to look up any value or row in our data frame, so to get it faster, we can use this index values. So like I'll show you how we can do this. So here I'm just commenting, printing data frame. Now get value from index, right? So for that we have PD, sorry, or not PD, because we have the data frame. So now df dot and I location, which is the complete name. Then we need 0 value of column name. So value, let's print it and let's see what we will get running it. Okay, so we are okay. So this is not the small name, this is the caps N. So running it again. So yes, we are getting this Tony. So to make it more simpler, I'm going to give some text. Index value is this and dot format this value. Now okay, yes, so index value is Tony. So from 0 index and from column name we are getting Tony. So if we want the location, so I just need to give here the location name. So we are getting India of 0 index. So if you want the China, so China is in 3 index. So here I am giving 3, okay, 3 like this and running it again. So yes, we are getting the China. Now what if we want a column value? So for that getting all rows of a column, right? So here we will have column values, right, and then df and we will give the column name. So name like this, and then we will print the column values. Okay, so this is the value from name column: Tony, Banner, Hill, Roger, Natasha and Fury, and name is name column and the data type is object. Now let's see how we can have the age and the maximum of the all rows. Now get max of age column, right? So max age equals to df, and then we will give the column name age dot. We have a method, sorry, a function which is max. Now let's print max age is dot format and max age. Now let's run it. So yes, we are getting 40. So let's see whether we have the 40 as the max age, 25, 36. Yes, 40 is the maximum. So let's see if we want from this marks. So spelling mistake, and I'm just giving the same information in the print. So let's run it. So 93 is the max marks. So let's see, 93, yes, this is the max value. So likewise you can have the max and minimum value also. So let me just copy this and paste it here. So I'm just updating it again, age, and here max, not min. We are going to marks and min marks. Yes, so here we will update this object also. So min marks, and here also we will update min marks. Let's run it. So minimum marks is 25. Let's see. So 25 is the minimum one. Yes. So likewise you can have max or minimum. Now what if we want the sum of the column? So of course sum will be of the aggregated column, which is integer, which should be an integer. So for age and marks only we can have the sum. So for that we have def, and we will have the age, and the function name is sum. So total age, and then we will print total age is format total age, and here getting sum of age. Right, let's run it. Okay, so total age is 182. Let's just sum up. So okay, sum, yes, we are getting 182. So if we want of marks, so we should have 364. Now just give marks and run it. So we should get 364. Yes, we are getting 364. So likewise you can have the sum of any column. Now we have another function which is cumulative sum. So what is cumulative sum? If you don't know, then I'll just give you the brief of that. So just update is sum age. Okay, so marks, here I'll just update marks like this. Okay, so here we will have age, total age. Yes, so just update it, and here we have cumulative sum. Right, now let's have the result. So here also I'll just update. Yeah, so cumulative sum we are getting, there is 61, 86, 106, 142, and in last row we are getting 182, which is the equal to the sum here. So I'll show you where it is, total marks. Okay, so here, okay, so I'll show you from here. So age, we have the cumulative sum, and the sum also 182, and in last row also we are getting 182. So what is cumulative? So cumulative is like this. So in the above row we will add on the current row. So like this, it will have 182 in our last row. So 25 we are getting, yes, here, and then we have 61, then 86, then 106. So likewise this is the cumulative sum. So we have lots of functions for that. So I'll just show you here they are max and abs, so absolute, which is, and then we have any method, so many methods as matrix and blocks. So if I'll explain all of these in this video, then it will be too long. So some of these we will discuss in our next video. So friends, I hope you like the efforts and information. If yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any query, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.